Hello lovely people, I've got a treat today. I've got a box from Soto Studios to open with some new stickers and pages and papers and tapes, and this is very exciting. Let's open the box. Seems to be a very big box. I didn't know quite it was going to be biggest box as that. You won't get very many unboxing type videos from me. I try to buy very mindfully my art stuff with the idea that I'm going to use it. My little box of stickers that's appeared in a couple of videos when I choose my layout. That's it. That's all I have. I don't have dozens. Ooh. Look. But I did need some Halloween stuff because I do not have any Halloween stuff. I'm not a great Halloween person. And I used my last scraps up last year, so that's the bit of paper. You don't need the bit of paper. Does it tell it what it is? Oh yes, it does tell me what it is. That's good. Let's keep that there. I bought 2 assorted packs. That's lovely. That's lovely. Look at that tissue paper. Oh, no. Let's go round it and let me put it in my art journal. There we go. Oh, it does come in a little bag. The easiest way to buy, if you're not used to it, is to buy a collection. Oh, it is free. Oh, wow. Oh, that's nice. They are clear. Lovely. Oh, that's beautiful. Fabulous. Oh, wow. Yeah, the easiest way to buy, if you're not used to it, is to buy in a collection. Look, it comes in a little pouch and everything. Oh, I didn't realise it came in. That's fabulous. This is Halloween. This is amazing. Look, it'll probably live in its little bag. This collection, Spooky Night Treat Pack, this was £31. This was the more expensive of the two. And you get all sorts of things. You don't have to go through and try and decide what you want, and you get more value. This is, what is this? Oh, it is some kind of, it is some kind of string fabric. That'd be nice as a background. Cut that up, use that as background detail. We have got some bit of string, always useful. Make little bows out of that. Classic. Oh, look at that, that's good. I mean, you know, that's obviously October Halloween. That could be any time. That's Halloween, that could be any time. That's nice. That's lovely. All the colours go together so we can match. Oh, look at that, isn't that cute? Oh, I like that. Drippy pumpkins. Oh, cutie little ghost. Oh, that's lovely. Weird thing. So we have some, about 6 by 6. Oh, some more papers in this little pack here. So Oh, look, I mean, you could use that at any time of the year, couldn't you? Black and white goth theme. Look at that lovely house. Oops, oops, everything goes everywhere. Oh, is that nice? Background feature, tear it up, beautiful. Houses, I love houses. Beautiful. Use that for any time of the year, anything, couldn't you? So we've got those. These are stickers. Huge amount. Oh, a grumpy face. All sorts. Oh, there's little cats. But again, anything, any time of year. Lots of fortune telly, spooky. Oh, yeah. All kinds of. These are sort of cutesy, cartoony. Oh, look at that. It's rather beautiful. And that's the thing, isn't it? That perfume bottles. Lovely, bright colours. Oh, look at the butterfly. That's a lovely. Can't get them. Frames, butterfly, all sorts of different styles. Look at that antique goth look. That's could be used for anything, any time of year. That'll match with any. That'll go with blues and golds. That'll go with purples. That's rather lovely. Big feature. Oh, look, cutesy. Lots of different styles and colours. All these colours would go together. That's lovely. Colours match. It's doing your colour matching for you, really. So masses of those for all sorts. I think a lot of these will go with my reading stickers, you know. That's the same sort of vibe. Heavy flout, heavy, beautiful. Cutesy little ones, look. Cutesy little silly things. So that's that. You pop away back in there. All sorts of things I would never look at to try. Pushes you outside your comfort. That'll do for a minute. And we've got another little one of stickers. I'm starting to get the hang of getting these off their clear backgrounds now. It's a trick. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, beautiful. Oh yes. Yeah. I mean, this doesn't need to be Halloween. This is just a gardening theme, isn't it? Yeah, it's a knack you develop to just separate them from the background. Yeah. All these coordinate with each other beautifully. And you don't have to go through trying to pick. This is page clip. Hold your pages. Little purdy cat. Hold your pages together. I don't know what this is. Oh, there's the tape as well, isn't there? What's this? Oh, it's a ring. How weird. There we go. We have 3 rolls of washi tape. This looks like to be peoply. How do we find an end? I have no idea. Is that the end? I think that's the end. Could have prepared this better, couldn't I? There it is. There's the gap. You're never quite sure how they attach these things if they stick them. Beautiful pictures. Lovely. Last time I had a roll of stickers from them, I don't think there was any repeats. Every single one was different. I'm not going to undo the whole thing. So that's all kinds of soft peoply ones. I'll put the link for these down below if you're interested in picking up the kits. I'll also pick up, they do a basic scrapbooking one, start you off, and a coffee one, which is always popular. I don't like coffee, but the coffee one is a popular one. How do you get into this? Yeah, knowing how to do it would. Oops. Oh. My silly old clumsy hands. Getting there. Got it. That one's got a bit of tape up. Ooh. Oh, that's rather fun. I don't see me using that, but never mind. Oh, that's really weirdy ones. Oh, they're little cute little ghosties. Oh, look at the pussycats! Look at the pussycats. And the hats. Yeah, masses of loads of different things. Oh, lanterns. Love lanterns. Loads of different things on that. And then this one. Oh, this one's all scenes. Oh, wow. Now, where do we find somewhere there's a join? Oh, I love scenes. Look, one of these with these characters over it. Beautiful. Oh, I do love scenes. And houses. See what I mean? They're all different. All different on the roll. You don't get... Oh, frames. That's unusual. Look at the countryside and the brick walls. You don't get repeats, bookcases, potion tables, doors. You don't get repeats. Absolutely beautiful. It does make you more mindful of how you use it, because you get the one, but you have to use it. So I'll tidy that up later. This one is Seaside Breeze Leisure Pack. Comes in a super smart little case. Oh, look, look. It's got a little book. Tell I can look at the stickers, can't you? I shall use that and do pages. Oh, I'll do pages. I might show you how to do a page. This one was only £24. Oh, you get another clip. Oh, you get those in all the collections. These are really useful when you want to hold your page down so you can work on it. I haven't got very many. I've got a couple of skeleton ones, but that's what, a new pen. I saw that you got a pen with it. Matchy pen. And then this is the important gubbins. Deco paper. This is your paper. Oh, it's clear one. That's interesting. Lots of different styles. Very kind of 40s, 50s looking, do you think? Muted, so it'll hide into the background. Oh, beautiful. That's really interesting. Yeah. I'll never think of picking up anything like that. Go lovely with the free. Some of these free stickers. Lovely. Yes. What's this one? This is more papers. And this will give my little collection a really good boost. And these are a bit thicker. Yes. Oh, look. More like painterly pieces. More like arty. Beautiful. That's gorgeous. Look at that. Grungy, rusty, lummy. Beautiful scenes. And then some little small vibes. It's nice and thin. I like thin papers. If you're in a book, you don't want great layers of thick paper too much of the time. That, yes, lovely. I've been so excited about waiting for these. Oh, some more papers. Stickers. Let's do the papers and then do the stickers. I might keep them in one. I might keep them all together rather than lots of little ones. Got it. Come here. Oh, it's almost like it's collaged up. Oh. Oh, they're vellum. They're vellum, they're translucent. Oh, that's nice. Not all of them. That one's not. That one is. Oh, lovely. Ooh. Yes, beautiful. Let me start to get into all the different types of stickers. We're just going to. Oh, stamps. I love stamps. I absolutely love stamps. Again, it's a similar arty, painty vibe to it, isn't it? It's almost like it's been taken from watercolour work or something. Scenes, piles, postcards, lots of stamps. There are lots of stamps. I love these. That's all these little stamps. Oh, a little turtle. That's lovely. This is going to last me ages. I'm not fussy about using things in season. I wanted Halloween And Christmas, I do Christmas at Christmas. But I'm quite happy to use hot beachy themes any time of the year. They look beautiful. And that's me, the blues. Blues, we're very into blues and greens lately. Or you could do a whole journal of it. You could use this for your whole year. There's enough here to keep you going for most of your layout pages. Cool and calm, beautiful. Fantastic. Funny little thing. I wonder why that's different. Why is that different? Oh, that's I think that's card. I'm just going to cut it, but I don't want to cut her legs off. There's no rolls of washi tape with this one. It is all in the stickers. These are, yeah, these are on a white background. They're vinyl stickers, and they're smaller, but still the same feeling to them. Still the same vibes. Lovely. Oh, look. Wonderful. And then this one. This is the last one. Am I going to mix them together? Don't know. Well, these look to be all blues. These are very serious blues. God, shouldn't you just want to be there? Oh, just live there. Just go and live there. Clear background. So your stuff on the back's going to show through. Absolutely gorgeous. Going to do some amazing stuff with that. Yeah, I'll keep these together because these are all blue. Lovely. So this one was Seaside Breeze Leisure Pack, £24. I'll put the link down below for you. I get a tiny commission if you pick it up directly from the link. The other one is Spooky Night Treat Pack. Huge variety of styles and things I wouldn't normally think to pick up. Lots in that one, and the rolls of washi tape bump that price up, which is why it's £31. They do a coffee one, which I will link to you below, and they do that comes in one of these weird kind of puffy papery bag type things, I think. And then they do a basic scrapbooking beginners that comes with a journal and how-to instructions, and that one comes in a little tote bag, I believe. So just you wait and see what we come up with all these lovely treats. Thank you for keeping me company while we opened our parcel. So I had a little rummage through the coastal pack, and I finished off a layout that I had already started in my art journal using all the bits and pieces from that kit. It's turned out rather pretty, I think.